Welcome to our channel. If you're a non-resident or new immigrant, follow these step-by-step instructions to open a U.S. bank account successfully. Step 1. Research banks that accept non-residents and immigrants. Some banks have more flexible policies for international customers than others. Step 2. Gather acceptable identification documents. You'll typically need a passport, visa, or immigration documents, and sometimes a second form of ID. Step 3. Obtain an individual taxpayer identification number if you don't have a Social Security number. Apply using IRS Form W-7 along with your tax return or required documentation. Step 4. Provide proof of U.S. address, even if temporary. Acceptable documents include lease agreements, utility bills, or letters from employers or educational institutions. Step 5. Visit a bank branch in person, as most don't allow non-residents to open accounts online. Bring all documentation and be prepared to answer questions about your banking needs. Step 6. Make your initial deposit, which may be higher for non-residents. Bring cash, cashier's check, or wire transfer information to fund your new account. Step 7. Understand that some banks may have limited account options for non-residents. Basic checking and savings accounts are typically available, but other products may require citizenship. Step 8. Maintain proper documentation of your immigration status with your bank. Update your account information if your visa status changes or you obtain permanent residency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.